Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the news today, we learn what happens when a company, and especially an employee of the company, decides that hey, security and hey, big passwords are not important. Why make it complicated so that I don't remember them? Well, at the company that is behind the McHire Chatbot, which is what most restaurants, most McDonald's use to get applications from people that want to work at McDonald's. Well, they decided that to access the database of applicants that 123456 has a username, accompanied by 123456 as a password, was fine. And so security researchers actually stumbled upon this McHire platform, entered 123456 twice, and behold, they were in front of 64 million applications from people that wanted to work at McDonald's. And so that means that if you get applications, you get a lot of very personal details there. So this is a great example of people being careless and not understanding that you cannot use such easy passwords anymore. It's not, the year 2000. And even then, it was still probably not a good idea. But today, somebody somewhere is just doing that all day. They have these machines that just go and try to log into accounts using the basic passwords that are often used by people. And in this case, 123456 for both the username and the password was even worse. So that's what's in the news today. The McHire, I like that. I didn't know there was a thing called McHire for McDonald's. So if you made an application, it's possible that it was in there. Now, the security researchers that found out, they don't seem to say that anybody ever had access to that database. So the good news is it doesn't seem like hackers found out before the security researchers. So at least there's good news in that bad news. I'm pretty sure they must have changed the password now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.